Hey everyone guys, welcome back, and in today's tutorial I will show you how to update the Uber Eats app. So keeping your app updated is key to ensuring that it actually runs smoothly and just ensure that you have access to the latest features. So let's get started guys. So first things first, you want to open up the App Store if you're using an iPhone or the Google Play Store if you are on Android. Then guys, what I want you to do is I want you to search for Uber Eats in the search bar. So if there is basically an update that is available, you'll see an option that says update. You just want to tap update to begin the process. And if you don't see the update button, guys, if you don't see that, it means that your app is actually up to date and it will basically just say open, right? You can double check by looking at the version number listed in the App Store. And if it's the latest version, guys, you're good to go basically. And once the update has finished, guys, downloading, you just want to open the Uber Eats app and make sure everything looks good. If there are any new features, they will likely be available after the update is complete. And that's it, guys. You have now got the latest version of Uber Eats. And if you found this tutorial helpful, guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks, guys. Until next time, guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel so I can see you guys in the next video.